The Power 10 p63c-40250AB is a variable power supply that can be adjusted up to 40 volts of DC and can provide 250 amps of current. This particular power supply came from a semiconductor manufacturing facility and had one part of it badly shorted out. We stripped down the power supply and rebuilt all the subassemblies until we were able to fully operate the power supply. The video clearly shows the power supply given a final test on our large current load tester, which is pulling over 100 amps at 40 volts DC. This power supply load is a linear load with an integrated blower system, so in the winter, it will warm up the workspace very nicely. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.